From DoneRight Management. I'm at the Broken Ridge Ranch house, and we're just going to do a quick tutorial in the living room regarding the television. So this is a smart TV. This is an Insignia Roku TV. So being able to utilize all the different feeds. You have the AV1, HDMI. The AV happens to be the DVD player, and you can actually see up in the top right it just says DVD. So if you're looking for the cable and the DirecTV, right here, let's just see if that actually works. And it does, and it is exactly that. So then being able to just kind of transition and then use the DirecTV. Go ahead and use the button right here where it says channel, and you have the volume. So if you have any further questions using the television in the living room here at the Broken Ridge Ranch home, you can give us a call. The landline in the office is 208-634-0030. Thank you.